Get ready to proactivate solar. How you doing, everybody? This is Gabriel, the Proactivator, and today we're going to be doing something that is going to be a common thing on this show, which we're going to be doing a case study on the solar installations before and after. Okay, now we have right now an after, which I'm going to be jumping into my computer and showing you the actual installation after, and just giving you information about what we did in that installation, what kind of panels we used, the size, and how much the customer was paying before, how much he's paying now. And I'll probably show you a little bit around the community to see if there's any other solar panels that have been installed in that area. And that's gonna be something that we're gonna be doing here all the time, folks. So I look forward to that. And well, without further ado, let's go and jump into that. All right, my friends, now we're gonna get started with our case study. All right, so here we go. Now this customer is from Homestead, Homestead, Florida, and he got an 11.2 kilowatt system. These are Jinko Solar panels, 400 watts each. Now he also got the microinverters. So behind each of these panels, folks, there's a microinverter. He has 28 panels, therefore he has 28 microinverters. This installation was done close to 2 years ago, actually. This installation was done probably towards the beginning of last year or at the end of 2019. Okay. Now what you saw right there was a solar attic fan. If you want, we can go back and check it out. This right here is a solar attic fan. So it has its own panel over here. It turns on, obviously, with the sun during the day, and it keeps the house cool. It keeps the attic cool. Therefore, it makes the home cooler. Now, on top of the solar attic fan making the house cooler, the actual solar panels serve as a shield for the house so that the attic won't get so hot. So it's very efficient. Now these panels are made in America. They're made in Jacksonville, Florida. They are 400 watts each. They have a 25-year warranty. And they can guarantee that in 25 years, they're still going to be producing at 80% capacity. As you can see, this installation is flawless. Everything just looks really good. The panels are facing east, west, and south. We don't install anything on the north side. Now, there's other solar homes around here. Now there's more than before. Okay, but at that point, this was shot on January 29th. There was 2 homes with solar panels. Now these panels here are LG panels. They are a little smaller, but they're still a really good panel. Actually better than the Jinko. They are great. It's a great product. They guarantee 90% production after 25 years. compared to the Jinkos at 80%. Now, folks, you're going to be seeing more solar panels coming into your neighborhood. It's inevitable. It's going to happen. Now, this customer, his name is Gabriel, actually, just like me. He's very happy with his solar system. He's recommended us other of his co-workers and family members. He's getting a bill now from FP&L just for the meter for about anywhere from $8 to $14 a month. Now, his payment to the financing company is around $170 to probably $190. It's not going to reach $200, which is very similar to what he was paying to FP&L. The difference is not that big of a difference. When he gets that tax credit, if he decides to put it into the financing, his bill is actually going to drop to about $140. At that point, he'll definitely be under what he was paying with FP&L. In this particular customer did a 20-year financing with one of the banks that we offer. There's no prepayment penalties, so he can pay this off even quicker. Well, folks, that's all for today. That's one of the case studies that we have for today in Homestead, Florida. Mr. Gabriel. And I'll see you guys for the next one. All right, my friends. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this little case study on Mr. Gabriel. I'll be also filming before the installation, before any panels go on the roof. And folks, well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. My friends, if you enjoyed this, please share it with somebody that you know that has and owns a home, and maybe it'll be valuable for them. I hope that you subscribe to this channel so that you can continue seeing more solar information, and turn on the notification bell so that you know when the next time that I post a new video. All right, my friends, I'll see you next time.